today I want to show you a way on how you can make money online. So if you really want to make money online, you need to watch this video to the end. I will show you top 10 website or application that you can use to make money online. So I'm going to show you step by step how the application work and how it can help you and how you can get paid. So the first website we are going to talk about, I know many of you guys may have heard about it, is called Vindale Research, vindaleresearch.com. You can check this website out. What they do is that they help you to make money online. So you can see what they are saying here. They are taking survey and you get paid. You watch video, you get paid. You take a survey of about 10 minutes, you get paid by just doing that with Vindale Research. Let us go and see how much they have paid and where the type of device that is available. As you can see, there is easy surveys every day, and they are telling us that they have about 100 about they have about 100,000 survey, 100 survey apply that will be added to their website every day. So you can go and check it out. As you can see, they are telling that they're telling us that they have paid up to $7 million to the users of Vindale Research. So, and they can pay you on paper. As you can see, on Trustpilot, the website is ranking very well. You have about 7,000 review on Trustpilot, which is about 3 point or 4 point review, and which is good. And how they work is very simple. You watch videos, you answer questions, you get paid by just doing that. As you can see here, you can see that they pay up to 10 to 14 to $2. They pay 2 to 10 and $14 per survey, depending on the time you spend on the survey. As you can see here, if you view very well, you will see that if you view it, you will see here that on their survey, they pay up to in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes, you make up to $10. As you can see, 12 minutes, you make up to $14. While 2 minutes, you make up to $2. So by just answering questions, so you just need to go and check them out. As you can see, they have paper available. You can just check it out and see what is good for you. So that is it. So I'm going to end it and go to the next video here. As you can see, they have paid up to $7 million to the users of Vindale Research. As you can see, you can participate in different categories: sports, business. In any category, you can participate on it. So you can just go and check Vindale Research out and see if it's what is good for you and take action. As you can see, they have a refer program too, so go and check it out, and we are going to move to the top 2 application that you can use to make money. So the top 2 application is called Topcashback. It's a very simple website that allows you to make money online, shopping online. So what they base on shopping online. So you just go and shop from your favorite retailers like Nike, Adidas, Pumas, and you get paid for just doing that. So it's a very simple website that you can use to make easy money online. As you can see, there's a lot of website that is partnering with them, and what they do is that they partner with other brand websites, and they promote their product on their website. And when you shop from a Topcashback when you shop from Nike through Topcashback, they pay you money. As you can see, this website here, which is Fidelity USA, they are going to pay you up to $160 cashback for using the platform. So as you can see, a lot of websites here, they pay you for just doing that. So you can see a lot of brand that is connected to this website. You can just go and check. Even Samsung is connected to them. You can just go shop from Samsung, shop from Nike, shop from New Look website, shop from Microsoft. Do anything that you usually do daily, and you will get paid on Topcashback website. So check it out and see if it's what you want, and take action on it. So we are going to move to the top 3 website that you can use to make money. So this website is called Grabpoint. So it allows you to make money online for just watching videos, taking survey, doing your daily activities you usually do, watching videos, taking survey, you get paid. As you can see, you can watch video, you get paid, take survey, you get paid, complete offer like installing application, you get paid by just doing that. It's a very simple task that you can do. So all you just need to do is to start using the method to start making money. As you can see, they pay you on paper, so don't worry about that. They pay you on paper. As you can see what they are showing us here, they pay by paper, and as you can see on the screen here. So you just need to go and check them out and see if you can make money with it. As you can see, their payment method is all here. So all you just need to do is to go and start using them to start making money, which is Grabpoint. So let us move to the next website that you can use to start making money online. So let us move to the next website. So the top four website that we're going to talk about is Fiverr. Many of you have heard of Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance website where you can go and pay freelancer and they will create your content for you. Let me say, for example, you want to write a content or write a blog and you don't have experience or know how to write the blog. You can pay somebody to write the blog for you. Let me say, for example, you want to edit a video or you made a video, you don't know how to edit it and you want to edit it. You go to Freelancer, which is Fiverr. You go to Freelancer and pay somebody to do that for you. So it's very simple. And know you that is watching the video now, you have something you know how to do. So you just need to go to Fiverr and create a gig about it. A gig is an offer. You create an offer. When somebody buy that offer, let me say, for example, you know how to edit a video, you know how to write, or you know how to laugh, or you know how to sing. Somebody will pay you for doing that for them. So they pay you for creating a legit content, a real own content by you, and they pay you for just doing that for them. So they collect the content from you and they pay you in return of money. They can pay you up to, or they pay up to $10 to $200 to $1,000, even to $15,000 on Fiverr, depending on the quality and depending on what type of offer you are trying to give on Fiverr. So that is it. We are going to move to the top 5 website, which is Paidviewpoint. Paidviewpoint is a very simple website that you can go take surveys every time. Every survey you take, you make money for just taking survey. So all the website that I'm talking about, since all of them have a refer program and you can make money with them too. So check the refer program of all the website. If I didn't talk about it, check them out on the website, on each website, and I will leave the links of all the whole website in the description below. So as you can see here, so the refer program of Paidviewpoint is very high. As you can see, they pay up to $25 for referring a friend. So when you refer a friend and a friend starts participating on Paidview and start participating on Paidview, you can make money for using this program, and you can pay up to 20% every time your friend completes a survey. You get up to 20% into your PayPal account. So they send it to you and you can convert it into your PayPal account. From your PayPal account, you can send the money into your bank account. So the refer program is very huge. So I advise you to take advantage of this application. So I will leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. So that is it, guys. So we are going to move to the next website. So don't worry about the payment method. They pay you on PayPal. So just take action and start using it to start making money. So that is it, and we are going to move to the next website, which is the top 6 website. So this is a freelance website too that you can go and make money, create content for people, you start making money. So are you that person that know how to create content on freelance? Say freelance content teams fully managed by who? By you and me. So we are the one that manage this platform because we go and create content for people and they pay us for just doing that. So this is for someone who know how to write content. You are that person who know how to write. You need to come to this website and take advantage of it. Just start creating content and get paid for just doing that. So that is it. Is very simple. So all you just need to do is to scroll down. You'll find a section that says freelance. So you find the section that says freelance here. For freelance, click on for freelance. So when you click on for freelance, this is the section you have to enter your email and name, and you have to enter your first name and last name, and you can click on get started and you will take action and start using this method to start making money. So by just entering your information, then you will fill out your details, enter your CVs of your experience you have about creating content for people, and you will get paid on PayPal, as you can see here. So as you can see on the screen, they pay you on PayPal. So don't worry about the payment method. So they pay you on PayPal. So you can go and check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below too. So we are going to go back to the top 7 website that you can use to start making money online. So the top 7 application that you can website or application that you can use to make money online. So we are going to go there now. So all you just need to do now is to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you find this very useful to you. So that is it. So the top 7 application we are going to talk about is Coinbase. Coinbase is a buying and selling website or application. So they have an application, they have their website, they have their web that you can go to. So how you make money on Coinbase is that it's very simple, and I will show you. So to make money on Coinbase, you need to go to a session that say earn reward. So start earning reward. So you need to click on the session here, and you can come down. You find a session that say earn crypto. If you can see on the screen here. So watch very well. You see this earn crypto gets $40 plus. Click on it, and once you click on that session, it will take you to this session that you will see that you will make money from different currencies. So all those currencies you can see at the bottom here, you will make money from them for just watching video on Coinbase. I know many of you don't know about this on Coinbase, but they pay you to watch video if you really understand how Coinbase is working. So I'll leave a video that talks about how you can make money on Coinbase. So you will see the link in the description below. So check the link in the description. You will see Coinbase earning video, any money from video. So I will title it Coinbase any money from video, so you can check it out below. So we are going to go to the top 8 website that you can use to make money online. So the top 8 website is Futurepoint, like I have talked about before, that you can use to make money online. So as you can see, Featurepoint is a website that allows you to make money by just taking surveys, answering questions, installing an application for 2 minutes, and you get paid for just doing that. So that is Featurepoint. It's a very simple website. Install the application and take advantage of it. As you can see, they pay you by PayPal, and they pay you Amazon, and they pay you by Xbox. So you can go and check them out and see if it's what you really want to take action about. So we are going to go to the top 9 website which you can use to make money online. So the top 9 website is called Swagboss. I know a lot of you have heard about Swagboss, and you can start using Swagboss to start making money online. You just need to go and take surveys, answer questions, shop online. You get a cashback for just doing all those activities. As you can see here, you can shop from all those retailer websites. You can see, let me zoom all those websites. As you can see here, you can see you can shop from AliExpress, Discount, Comifis. You can shop for Castorama. You can shop for a lot of websites here, even Zoom Plus. You can shop from them, and you get paid for just doing that. So as you can see, a lot of websites that you can shop from, you get paid. You can even lodge in a hotel. Like you want to lodge in a hotel, you purchase through cashback from that hotel, you get paid for just doing that. So that is how it works, guys. You just need to take advantage of it and start making money on Swagboss. So that is how it works. I'll leave the Swagboss link in the description below. So don't forget to check it out and start using it to make money online. So we are going to talk about the top 10 application that you can use to make money online. So the top 10 application that you can use to make money online is called PayPal. I know a lot of you will be surprised. Oh, PayPal, can you use PayPal to make money? So you refer people to PayPal and you make money for just doing that. So all you just need to do now is to take advantage of it. I will leave the link of PayPal referral link, and when you sign up, we both make $10 for just signing up on PayPal. So I know a lot of you will be wondering, oh, I use PayPal to receive money. How come I can refer people to PayPal again and make money? So they have a program that you can use to make money online. So you can see the instruction here, say refer a friend and get paid. So that is how it works, guys. Refer a friend, and you have $5 is going to charity, while $5 is going to Honeygain, a partner. Honeygain is partnering with them. Why? Honeygain is a website that you can use to make money to Honeygain. For those of you who don't know about Honeygain, I will make a video about Honeygain soon. So if you don't know about Honeygain, so $5 is going to $5 bonus is going to Honeygain, and $10 is going to you, and 1 cent is going to people that you are going to refer to PayPal. So that is how it works, guys. Thank you very much, guys. And if this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share on social media. Oh, don't forget again, you can check my website at www.hugosporer.com, a way on how you can start creating your own future website. Check it out and see if I can be the person that can work with you on your website, on your future website. So don't forget to check me out on Instagram. Don't forget to check me out on Facebook. Don't forget to check me out on Twitter. So thank you very much, guys. We are going to end the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and peace. See you soon, a way on how to make money, and bye bye.